Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the Contractor Identifications module. This module allows you to add and manage contact and other WHS related information about the contractors who access your workplace. It's important to note that the records in the three other contractor modules, insurances, inductions and sign-ins, all relate to this Contractor Identifications module. Therefore, you must first create a record in this module before you can create records related to the contractor in the other modules. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled through the User Management module. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything, just as if we were a workplace administrator. This module features the same fundamental layout as all other modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the contractor management page, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all the module data in a CSV format. To the right are the module help icons and help notes, and a link to this video tutorial. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list according to various criteria. And the small export icon to the right of the search and filter tools exports just the records that are displaying after filtering. Like the main export function, this allows for selection of the data fields to be included in the export. Mousing over the Actions icon in the list view displays the various options for managing existing records in this module. To add a new record, select the plus icon that in turn displays the Contractor Identification form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but it does not save the record. Below the form help, the first two form fields, the date created and author, are pre-populated. You can then continue to enter the relevant information in the remaining form fields. Note that selecting yes to has a documented contract been received provided or has a generic SWIMS been received provided reveals additional fields for completion. And also note the important contractor status field. As explained in the field tooltip, if the contractor is flagged as terminated, all related sister reminders from the other contractor modules, insurance policy renewal reminders, etc. are all disabled, regardless of their local reminder settings. The system will also not allow creation of new records in any other contractor modules if this contractor record has been terminated. When all relevant details have been entered into the form, click Save, which returns back to the list view of the module. And that completes this tutorial. For more information, please refer to the module help at any time. Thanks very much for watching.